What is this structure? These?
Stolen.
The aerial hyphae?
Sporangia.
Is this sexual or asexual reproduction?
Asexual.
Asexual. What is produced by these? Spores. Just plain spores, not sporangia spores.
Oh, that looks nasty.
What division is represented here? Basidiomycota. What are these little dots? Basidiospores. What is this entire thing? Common name? Common name? Puffball. What do we call this as far as structure? A basidiocarp.
Basidiocarp.
What division do these belong to? Basidiomycota. Common name? Shelf or bracket fungi. What division is represented here?
Zygomycota.
Zygomycota. Common name? What is this structure? That's a conidia.
Conidia.
If that's a conidia,
Conidia spore.
conidia spore. The little ball-bearing looking things. Conidia spores. Sexual or asexual reproduction?
No sexual.
Sexual or asexual reproduction? Asexual.
Asexual.
Division? Ascomycota. Common name? Cup fungi. What is this entire structure? That's the ascocarp. What division? Basidiomycota. What is this entire structure?
Basidiocarp.
A basidiocarp. What is this?
Lichen.
It's a lichen. It's a symbiotic relationship between two organisms. What are they? A fungi and a cyanobacteria or a gluing algae. What body form? Foliose. Looks like foliage or like leaves. What division is represented here? Ascomycota. What are the fluorescent colored structures? Ascospores. How many are always produced?
8.
8.
You knew that one.
What is this sac-like structure that they're found in?
Aschia.
That's the asci or ascus. ASCI or ASCUS. Where this structure narrows down and becomes filamentous. Ascospore. What division?
Ascomycota.
Ascomycota. Common name. And this structure is a what? The ascocarp. What are these black things?
Spores. Sporangia.
Those are sporangia. And if they are sporangia, what are these? Sporangia spores. Sexual or asexual?
Asexual.
We asked the same thing on the first slide. This is just an actual micro photograph, and the first drawing was a drawing. What division is represented here?
Basidia.
Video micro.
Basidia mycota.
Basidio mycota. What are these structures?
Basidia spore.
Basidia
Spore.
spores. How many are always produced in Basidio mycota? Four. What is this club-shaped, enlarged end of the hyphae called? Louder.
Basidia.
It's the basidia, or the basidium. When it narrows down and goes down into the hyphae,
Basidia spore.
that is a basidia spore. This is also called a basidia spore, even though it's only holding up the basidia spore. What are these?
Lichen.
What body form?
Crustose.
Crustose. What division is represented here?
Zygomycota.
What are these large, dark, fuzzy-looking things?
Zygote.
Come on, folks. I want to hear somebody else.
Gametangent.
Zygospores. Sexual or asexual reproduction?
Sexual.
What is this entire structure called?
Gametangent.
That's the gametangia. What are these little pink hairs? That's hyphae.
Taking pictures.
What is this pink ball?
Video.
That's the sporangia. What is this structure?
Sporangiophore.
Sporangiophore. What are these? Those are conidia. If they are conidia, then what are these?
Conidiospore.
Conidiophores, and these little ball bearings?
Conidiospores.
If you had to guess, what division would you think they are from?
Deuteromycota.
Deuteromycota. What type of reproduction? Sexual or asexual?
Asexual.
Asexual. What is this division also called? Fungi imperfecti, or the imperfect imperfect fungi, right? Why are they considered to be imperfect? They're missing the sexual reproductive stage. Oh, let's see what else do I need to ask there. If you had to guess what species that would be found?
Penicillin. Species.
You had two guesses, Brad, and you got the wrong one. It looks more like penicillin, because aspergillus was like a round ball that had a little short.
I got it on Friday.
I know it. One thing about it, man, you are consistent. So you're steel. That makes it consistent. Good.
Yeast.
Okay. What are these? Common name. Yeast. What division do they belong to?
Ascomycota.
What process is taking place here?
Budding.
Is that sexual or asexual?
Asexual.
What's this? What body form?
Fructose.
Fructose.
Moss.
Fructose. What division is represented here?
Deuteromycota.
What disease is called?
Athlete's foot.
Athlete's foot. Everybody always do well on the test. Remember, Wednesday.